FreshBooks versus QuickBooks. Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you the difference between FreshBooks and QuickBooks. Alright, so let's begin. QuickBooks Online and FreshBooks are both powerful accounting solutions designed for small businesses, but they cater to different needs. QuickBooks offers robust features for growing businesses, while FreshBooks is tailored for freelancers and solopreneurs. Now, let's break down the key aspects to help you make an informed choice. So, QuickBooks is best suited for small businesses selling products and features like inventory tracking and online sales channel management. It offers add ons like payroll, timekeeping, and more, making it scalable as your business grows. Now, if we talk about FreshBooks, FreshBooks is perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs offering services. It is accessible for those new to accounting with a simpler interface. It excels in native time tracking, making it easy to bill clients accurately. Now we will talk about comparison of specific features. In terms of accounts receivable, QuickBooks is more advanced, especially for businesses selling products. FreshBooks is great for self-employed individuals billing for services. In terms of business expenses, QuickBooks offers accounts payable features in its simple start plan. FreshBooks requires a higher tier plan or third-party integration for similar features. In terms of timekeeping, FreshBooks includes native time tracking in every plan. QuickBooks requires the essentials tier and up for timekeeping. In terms of banking and accounting, QuickBooks provides tools like income and cash flow statements in its simple start plan. FreshBooks offers similar functionality but only in higher plans. So that's basically the main difference between FreshBooks and QuickBooks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.